So this is Dean. I buy cool stuff. We're gonna do the Taylortown gun show today. So we're gonna see if we can find anything good. The best way to do a show is to buy a table. So we've got tables for this show for every show they have here. So we're gonna see if we can find anything. So not everybody's set up. So we'll get but when you buy a table, you get to be the first ones to walk around. So you get to go shopping first, see everything first. Got an AK-47 here. He's not here right now. Funny how people have different things. Early Marlin and an AK-47. So, anyhow, this is Benny and Wanda. How's it going today, guys? So, anyhow, Benny and Wanda have been in this hobby for, how long you guys been doing this? 60 years? You don't know. You've been at Celine for 37 years. So, anyhow. I've been doing this since I was 7. I started going out to Middle Belt when I was 7. So, anyhow. All right. So we got some ammo here. See if we can find anything we need. I need to get Grace some more 30-30s. I bought her a 30-30 the other day. So, anyhow, what's up? You having a good show already? All right, good.
Great show.
Good.
Fun.
Having fun?
Having fun.
Got all kinds of stuff.
Got a belt you might be interested in.
You know, I like that German stuff. How much is the belt?
$30.
$30. If we can hold it. Luftwaffe belt.
Pretty cool.
German, $30. I buy cool stuff. For $30, I'll take it.
All right. Gives me a sale.
Gives you a sale. Gotta love it.
Amen.
Gotta love it when the day goes good. You got a, I don't know what I got here. Let me see what kind of money we got.
What do you need? You got change.
Got a tenner?
Yep. Yeah, I sure do.
There's 40. Ah,
Oh, I seen some drop.
you seen a whole bunch drop.
Be careful. Don't miss none.
I won't mess it.
Some more on the table. That's all I see.
All right.
That's all I see, sir. But we're not. They can get rolling again. Yes, I do, man. I do. I will help you too.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Come back.
I will. So, anyhow, when you come in as a vendor, this is my table. Got a couple guns. I'll fill it up in a little bit. I run the guns in first. So, when you come in early, you get to pick what you want. So we got good concessions here. Brought her something. See if we can find anything. Hi, Dennis.
Hey, Joe.
You still wanted? Are you still wanted? Are you still wanted? I make you a superstar. He's a good friend of mine. He's always got a joke. So, but I gotta get over here and see this. Gotta love a good gun show. But they're just getting set up, so. Get over here and see about this AK. How much is the AK?
I've got 25 on it. That's with all the mags.
It's an Egyptian Mahdi, no?
Yep, it is.
Oh, Egyptian. Yes, it's an Egyptian Mahdi. What's the Marlin chambered in?
32. 3220.
3220. What you know, old man?
Hey.
Smile.
Oh, how you doing?
Good.
Good. Oh, get tired.
Well, it's okay for us to get tired, Tom.
Yeah.
I didn't realize you had gold coins.
I'll get a little bit of everything.
I might have to come look at the gold. So, anyhow, good gun show's got everything. So, this is Ron. He's got duck decoys and fishing lures. How's it going, Ron? Getting set up?
It's like every show takes forever.
I picked a little slate back 100 up the other day. It was overpainted red.
Oh yeah?
I threw it in some ammonia. That red paint fell off in about 5 minutes, man.
It was probably water-based on ammo, you know, and then it loosens right up.
No, it dissolved it. That ammonia is amazing.
Yeah, I used it.
So we got some swords here with Larry. He's got swords and coins, pictures, helmets. What'd you have on the police helmet, Larry?
$400. It's absolutely brand new, just about beautiful.
I just got a Luftwaffe buckle over there with the belt for $30.
Oh, in here you mean?
Yeah, sitting over there.
I turned on, you know what I did with mine? I turned around, I opened it up to accept the big bag.
So anyhow, get here, go shopping, find some more stuff. I like that AK-47. But I'll walk you around in a little bit when everybody else is set up. So it doesn't open till 2. It's about noon. So we got a good belt with a buckle. You wanted too much on the AK, but we'll find some more stuff. So you guys all have a good day. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you in a little bit.